So basically, I just considered this one and showed you how to do it. For example, sometimes when you have the measurement 5.0 cm, okay, and correct to, okay, nearest 0.5 cm, for example, like this, okay, and which give you the meaning. When you look at it, actually, you have 5.0 or 5.5 cm or 6.0, or you have 4.0 like this. And now you know that the maximum error, okay, basically equals to, okay, 1/2 times 5.5 minus 5.0, or you can also consider this one, 5.0 minus 4.5. But no matter which one you consider, okay, all the time you can see it just like 1/2 times 0.5. And this actually correspond to this one, okay, correspond to this one. That is why in this case the nearest, okay, meaning the maximum interval, so this is 0.25 cm with the unit, okay, this is the maximum error.